Hello, my beautiful, wonderful besties. Welcome back to Down for Glam and another video on this channel with me, Gigi. And no, it is not a nail video. And I wish I would have done it Wednesday on the day I was trying to do videos for you guys every day during this nonsense. But it wasn't because, guys, this is so crazy. I don't have any of my things except the stuff I brought to last me for 2 weeks. My nails look like this. You know you have never seen my nails look like that. So anyways, I don't have anywhere, like where I'm sitting right now, where I'm hanging out right now, right here. This is where I sleep. This is where I am all day. And it's really getting to me a lot. A lot. Let me fix this. You guys are crooked. You are crooked. Or I'm crooked. Something. So it's been tough. And it's tough on my family too. They've got this extra person here. They can't come down to the living room and just be like they normally are. Because here I am. Right? And so it's been tough for every one of us. I am not trying to make this a complaining video. It's not. It's just this is what's going on with me right now, and a big change is about to happen in my life. So here's what's going to happen. I've talked about this a little bit on the vlog channel or whatever you want, my other Gigi Tally channel, just the other channel, because it's honestly, this is more the main channel anymore. But although right now that channel has a lot more videos. If you like horror movies, there's reviews over there for you. If you like fashion, there's reviews over there for you. So go check that stuff out. I've got something uploading right now, as a matter of fact. My hair is also falling down. Did you see that? Did you notice that slowly taking place before your very eyes? So my kids live in Las Vegas. They grew up here. My oldest daughter moved here with us when she was 8. And so she does remember a little of, you know, Texas and New Mexico, where we're from. But she grew up in Las Vegas. And my youngest daughter moved here when she was 2. We moved away from Texas when she was 2 months old. And she moved to Nevada when she was 2 years old. Just a little less than 2 years old. So, this has always been their home. And I lived here myself for years. So, I'm not the hugest fan of Las Vegas, but I'm the hugest fan of my family. And I have a 1-year-old granddaughter and a daughter with a business to run, and another daughter who has my other granddaughter who is 11 and turning into a teenager rapidly. My oldest daughter, again, has a teenage son. And my oldest grandchild is going to be 21 soon. So it's just so many things are going on here. And they all want me to stay. So since I've been here, sorry, I'm antsy. Since I've been here already this time, they've gotten used to me being here. They're like, you are not going home. My oldest daughter just rented an enormous house, and she's like, Mom, I've got this beautiful bedroom for you. You're coming to live with me. And I'm like, and the house is gorgeous, you guys. It's got a huge pool and a huge yard for my little guy right here, which you probably didn't realize this was a dog, but it is. And I'm apprehensive and a little sad because it's only right now just hitting me. I mean, it's kind of been creeping up, but I love California, and I lived in California for about almost 20 years. And the thought of leaving, that's tough. But even more than California, I love my family, and I want to spend time with this new grandbaby, which, if I'm being honest, is probably the last grandbaby I'm going to get. So I don't want to miss it. I just don't. I want to be around her. and I want to be with my grandson as he turns into a young man, and my oldest granddaughter, she could start a family soon. I don't know. She's 21 now, and I know she wants kids at some point, and she's madly in love with her boyfriend. And they've been together for years. So there's so much going on here, and I'm missing it by staying in California. And even though my skin is suffering, and I'm going to have to find some good lotion, which I may have found what I'm looking for. And if you guys are interested, actually, I don't have any other content for you guys. So what I'm going to do, not if you're interested, I'm going to make you guys a couple of videos just about other things in the beauty world. I bought the cutest little makeup palette, which I'm not wearing today because I don't feel very good today. I could barely put this on. But I'm going to do a little review of this little tiny colorful palette I got for you guys. And I bought this amazing lotion. And I'm going to give you guys my first impressions of it. And then do a review of it for you guys later on if you respond to the first impressions. So there's that. I'm going to do that for you guys this weekend. And then I'll put them up for you next week. Before we go, I just really want to say I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope that you are clinging to your family right now. And if you are having to work because you are an essential business, I am so grateful that you are doing that. Thank you for working for your community, and your community extends out into the whole world. So what you're doing really matters. And I don't care if you are working in a gas station or you are working in a surgery. I don't care. I don't care if you are taking care of somebody else's baby or you are taking care of your own baby. Thank you for staying safe, for wearing masks, for washing your hands, and for not doing stupid things like protest. You know who I'm talking to. So, stay safe, you guys. This is really important. It just is. I don't really want this channel to be about anything other than feeling good and being about nails. But if we want to keep doing nails and feeling good about ourselves, we've got to get this stuff under control. And we can't listen to people like dumbasses, sorry for the cursing, Dr. Oz on TV, yesterday, saying it's okay if 2 to 3% of children die, as long as we get everyone back to school and the world back working. All the things that we go to work for are for the people who are for us. And if we're willing to sacrifice the most vulnerable people in the world just so we can go to the phone store and buy an iPhone or whatever it is, I just don't think that's really worth saving. So I think human beings are worth saving, and that we can figure this out, and that together, if we work together, it's a virus, you're never going to beat it, but we can get a vaccine. We can figure out treatments. And until then, we can stay away from each other so that everyone stays safe. Okay, guys. I love you so much, and I miss making nail videos for you guys. The very second I get back into town with my stuff, I expect to be moving very, very soon. I'm saying within the next week or two. I'm thinking within the next week. So as soon as I get to my daughter's house and I get my nail stuff set up and I get my equipment set up and I take a really long sleep in my own bed and maybe spend a day or two by the pool, I will start making nail videos, because I'm going to take these off, I think, today or tomorrow. They're starting to rip my hair. So I will start making nail videos for you guys. We'll get back on a schedule. And I'm going to keep you updated on how wonderful my granddaughter is. So there you go. There you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video and for being one of my beautiful besties. And if you're subscribed, you know you're my favorite. I absolutely love you. And if you too want to be one of my favorites, hit the red button below. Hit me with a comment and let me know how you're keeping the world safe. And if you are an essential worker, let us know what job you're doing. And remember, we are grateful to you from the bottom of our hearts. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.